This is just going to be a quick video on how to solder capacitors using solder paste. So first you're going to want to add some solder paste to the pads. Just a little bit, you don't have to use too much. I used a tiny bit too much on the top left pad, but that's okay. Then you're going to want to put your capacitors into position. Just roughly line them up on the pads. They don't have to be perfect. Surface tension will pull them in. Then you're going to want to apply some hot air. For this I use 420 degrees Celsius with a 20% airflow. Start a bit away from the capacitors, and when you see the solder paste starting to melt, you can move closer. So I started moving closer around now when I seen it starting to melt. And then you just wait till they sit down into the pads, and that's it. So I hope you liked this video. If it did help you out, just hit the thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.